Morning, children. Welcome to today's class. This is the last day of our session before vacations. As you know that we have completed 3 of the chapters: rational numbers, exponents and powers, and playing with numbers. So here is the assignment questions on these 3 chapters. You have to first complete all these chapters notes in your fair copy, and then you will complete this assignment in your fair copy. The details of all this already given in your PDF file, which you will get on the school website. So here assignment questions first start with fill in the blanks. These fill in the blanks are from either the properties or the what we have discussed, all these points given in your chapter. Like first, rational numbers are not closed under dash, means under which addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, that you have to fill. Then dash is the additive identity for rational numbers, that you have to fill. Next, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals, numbers you have to fill. Then dash and dash are not commutative for rational numbers, means operation you have to write here, which operations are not commutative. Then dash is the multiplicative identity, you have to fill the number here, you have to fill. There are dash rational numbers, means how many rational numbers are there in between two given rational numbers, how many are there. The next is very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using dash type of exponents. Which type of exponents? Either it can be positive or negative, that you have to go through what we have discussed, points given at the back of your chapter. Then next, if a and b are two rational numbers, then dash is a rational number between a and b. This is also given in what we have discussed, points. Go through that. Then a two-digit number AB in the general form, how it is written, it is also given at the back of the chapter. Then a number n is divisible by 3 when which property, by which property you have to just write down, means sum of the digits you have to find out, that you have to go through the Then next, solve the following questions. Here some questions are given. Already you have completed the chapter, so these questions are related to those questions given in the chapter only. First, find the value using properties, means using the properties of rational numbers. Here some kind of adjustments you have to do, then some kind of properties you have to use. This kind of question you have already solved in the exercise. Think and solve, and along with that you have to also write down the properties in whichever step it is used up. Then find 10 rational numbers between the two given numbers. This also you have done in the exercise. Then next, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. This type of question also we have done in the exercise. Go through that. Then 6 laws of exponents we have just gone through in the chapter. Write down those laws. Then next, simplify and express in the power notation with the positive exponents. Then next, these questions I have already told that these are important type of questions, and you have to do little kind of adjustments, arrangements, and you have to solve these questions. These two questions are from exercise itself, and one extra question I have given that you solve. Then next two questions are in standard form and usual form, that you have solved in exercise. Solve that. Then next, find the value of p. It is from power set exponents chapter, where this question is extra question, Now you have to consult it from example number 5 and question number 5 of exercise, just similar. So use that property and solve. Then 10th question, find the value of q, means unknown variable given here for the 3-digit number. Solve it, you will get the value of q. This kind of question also you have done in the exercise. Then question number 11, it is from the example. Such kind of question you have already solved in the exercise. You just go through that and solve it like an example. Then 12th question is of exercise only, just repeat it like a revision. So here completes your assignment questions. Complete all these questions in your fair copy, and for the more details you just consult all the first page of PDF file, and all the important points are given in that. And our school website will be open till 10th of June. All the details are given there and you can go through, and if you find any kind of doubt, for more details we will just consult while school reopens.